Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to stay fit and active with diet and nutrition tips. As we all know, a healthy diet is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. And it can help you maintain your weight, improve your mood, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, eat a balanced diet. The first tip is to eat a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients. A balanced diet should consist of protein, helps build and repair tissues in the body. Carbohydrates, provide energy for the body. Fats, provide energy and help absorb nutrients. Vitamins and minerals, essential for various bodily functions. To achieve a balanced diet, you should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential to staying healthy and active. Water helps regulate your body temperature, flushes out toxins, and helps your body absorb nutrients. The recommended daily intake of water varies depending on your age, sex, and level of physical activity. But a general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip number 3, avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and they lack essential nutrients. They can also lead to weight gain, chronic diseases, and fatigue. To stay fit and active, you should avoid or limit your intake of processed foods such as fast food, sugary snacks, and soft drinks. Tip number 4, incorporate physical activity into your routine. Physical activity is crucial to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps build strength and endurance, improves your mood, and reduces your risk of chronic diseases. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to stay active. Simple activities such as walking, cycling, or doing household chores can help you stay fit and active. Tip number 5, practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to the taste, smell, and texture of your food and eating slowly to enjoy it fully. This can help you avoid overeating, reduce stress, and improve your digestion. To practice mindful eating, try to eat in a quiet and relaxing environment. Chew your food slowly, and put your fork down between bites. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you stay fit and active with diet and nutrition. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is not about deprivation or perfection, it's about making small changes that you can sustain over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips.